Hey YouTube, it's your girl Destiny back showing y'all how I created my quick and easy YouTube banner using Canva. So let's get to it. For starters, you want to type in YouTube banner in the search bar and pay attention to those pixels. I'm going to talk about that a little bit later. Okay, you could either create on a blank YouTube banner or you could use a template. I chose to use a template simply because that just works best for me. And I just delete all of the previous designs that's already laid out. That way I can start on a blank foundation just so I could use like the little banner strip right there. And once I'm done with that, I'll just put a different color background. And I decided to go with like the lighter one. Now from here, I'm going to use the mobile Canva app on my phone and get the pictures from my camera roll. I think it's better this way because I don't have to like upload the picture and then magic erase all of the background. Like that is really a challenge for me. But I find if you go to your camera roll and copy and paste the pictures, that's better. And if I have to like do any tweaking, then I could just, do something small rather doing like a big background. So I just did it that way. I'm gonna make it smaller so it can fit on that little banner strip right there and move it to where I want them to be. Then I'm gonna click the transparency button and bring it down to about 50. Then I'm gonna duplicate it, move it to the next side, flip it horizontally. That way they're mirroring each other, if you see where I'm going with it. And then I'm going to just do the same thing for this one right here. Bring it down to the size I want it. But then with this one, I'm going to flip it horizontally because I like it better that way per se. And once I'm done with that, I am going to click edit photo. This is where I'm going to magic erase that little shadow right there. So this is just what I'm doing here and cleaning it up, making sure I get what I don't want out. This is why I wanted to do copy and paste from my phone because doing like a whole background with like just your mouse thingy, it gets hard. And I don't got time to keep trying to perfect it. So I just found it that way better. I feel like this is good enough for me. Just gonna go back and then it looks good. Duplicate it, put it on the other side. But once I put it over here, I'm gonna flip it horizontally so it's still mirroring each other like that. Position it a little bit better so it's matching the other side. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna go to text and add heading. Add a heading. I'm gonna put my name, Destiny Taylor. Put it in the middle right here and just position it a little bit better. That way it is in between the two images. Then I'm just going to change the font of it, give it a different vibe because that's boring. I'm going to type in Amsterdam 4. I like this a little bit better. Yeah. And then I am going to make it a little bit bigger. That way it fits more better. Position it right. Then I'm going to add another heading. And I'm going to type in blogs, lifestyle, beauty. Then I'm going to change the fonts on it. Gonna type in Calgary, and then I am going to make it a little smaller and then space it out. Once I space it out more to like a one line, I'm gonna make it smaller so it can fit in that little space in between the two images, just like I did my name, and then play with it a little bit to my liking to get it how I want it to be. And yeah, I'm finished. That's my simple, easy, quick way of making a YouTube banner. You could even add more things to it if you wanted to. You can add smoke for a little razzle dazzle. I just want to keep it simple. Gonna click share, then I'm gonna click download. And then right there it says 2560 times 1440. We're going to change that so it's in the YouTube banner's dimensions. That way nothing is getting cut out. We can see everything. So I'm going to resize it to 2048 times 1152 pixels. If you have Canva Pro, you can be able to copy and resize that. And you also get like a 30-day free trial, so you can even do that to even make it if you wanted to. Gonna share again, download. It's in the correct pixels. So just gonna do that, and you want to save it as a PNG. Click whatever you want to do, wherever you want to put it. I'm gonna put it in my desktop. Then I'm gonna click save, and that is it, y'all. So if you would like to see more YouTube banner designs or YouTube intros and outros, just leave a comment down below. Also, make sure you like and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications because I will be posting more and very soon. So stay tuned for that. All right, y'all.